Many people don't realize the hidden root of hair issues is what we put into our bodies. Today, I'm going to be sharing with you a chef style nice cream nourishment, y'all. The key isn't just what is in it, it's how you treat it. Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is LaTrance. I am a hair and nutrition specialist featured in Successful Moments magazine. This chef nice cream is going to be made with simple ingredients to nourish your hair. It's going to be very short, but it is going to be powerful. So stick around to the end of the video because I have something to share with you at the end. Now let's get started, y'all, with the video. Today we are going to be putting in some of the most powerful fruits that you will ever eat in this world. So today is going to be the avocado. The avocado, y'all, is going to make sure your nice cream is so smooth and creamy, and it's definitely going to add the healthiest fat to your nice cream. One of the most powerful fruit that you can eat on this earth, like I said, that God has made, is going to be in that avocado, and it's going to nourish your hair from the roots to the ends. Next, we have our banana. I have bananas and berries here, but bananas is a natural sweetener. It's going to boost the biotin in your hair growth. Listen to what I said. It's going to boost the biotin for your hair growth. The berries in here is going to bring the antioxidants, the color, the flavor to help protect your follicles. Now, moving right along, we have the nuts. Nuts is going to give it that crunch, that little fun crunch on top of your nice cream. Your chef style nice cream is going to be full of protein and biotin as well, believe it or not. And it's going to have healthy fats to strengthen your hair as well. If you are not allergic to nuts, I highly, highly recommend you to add nuts to your nice cream. They are very powerful to eat. I promise you that. Next we have on here, y'all, is going to be, now let's get into this. This is optional, but you do not have to do this. You can eat your nice cream with just the banana sweeteners, the berries, but sometimes I like to add a little sweetener, and you can too, to indulge, like I said, a touch of honey, a touch of coconut caramel, even maple syrup. You can add agave to indulge, but it's still going to be nourishing to your hair. Now we have the fresh herbs, y'all, and I love fresh herbs. And I love pretty food as well. If it's so pretty, I'm going to eat it, especially if it's going to nourish my hair and my body. The herb is I have today is going to be the parsley, and it's going to add a freshness and color as well to your nice cream. That's, like I said, that's what a lot of chefs do. They will add this for color to make it very pretty. So let's get started adding things to the blender. Now I'm going to add my berries, and normally I'll add my berries first, and then I'll add my avocado up after I blend my frozen berries and strawberries. But if you can just add it in there all together if you like. You don't have to do it like I do. Just long as you blend it to make that chef style nice cream is so important. Now you want to add a base, and my base is going to be water. I always use water because I drink a lot of water, and water is really, really good. I want to mention this too. Avocados, people might think that avocados have a taste. If you've never tasted them, they do not have a taste. If you don't like the texture like I do of avocados, then you could just put it in your smoothie or your ice cream, which today is the nice cream, and you will never ever taste it. You can get kids to eat this. If they don't know the avocado is in there, they will love this nice cream. So you want to add your water. I just eyeball mine and I'll just add just a little. I don't want to make mine too liquidy. I like mine to have that frozen ice cream consistency. So you put much liquid as you like. Like I said, you can add milk if you just like plain milk. If you are a vegan, you can add almond milk. Any kind of nut milks you can add, and it's going to make your nice cream even smoother. So I'm going to blend this up, and I'm going to come right back and show you guys exactly what it looks like. Okay, y'all, I am back. Look how smooth and creamy the texture is. It's simple, it's going to be pretty, and it is so packed with nutrients, y'all. Look at the color of it. It's so beautiful. Now, what you want to do to freeze this, to make it nice cream, you want to take a bowl, and I just normally use a BP-free plastic bowl. I'm a glass girl. I love glass, but I normally don't put glass in the freezer to freeze it. Or you can use, some people put those in like those, you can make, what is it? Banana nut bread, the pans, you can put it in as well with a plastic lid. However you want to freeze it is going to be up to you. But I'm going to pour this into a bowl. And y'all, look at the color. Look at the creaminess. And I'll show it to you a little bit closer once I get it in this bowl. And this is going to be so sweet and good, y'all. A lot of times we just have to slow down and plate things up beautifully and make it intentional and not just a plain old boring snack like a lot of times we do. So look at the color of this, y'all. Look how pretty that is. Now, and I'm going to take a lid and I'm going to place that in my freezer. Now, for the sake of the video, I already have some that's frozen. And I am going to show you how to plate this up. So pretty. And like I said, you're going to be giving your hair so much nutrients and so much healthy fats because of the avocado. And it's so healthy for your hair. Now, I have a bowl here with my little napkin and a dried flour. This is the way I like to eat. Y'all, I love eating pretty stuff. I love eating chef style. When it's pretty, it makes me want to eat it. So what I'm going to do is you just want to take an ice cream scooper and you want to scoop that right into your bowl. Now, I don't know if you can see this, but I'm going to get a couple of scoops out so you can see. And I'm getting ready to eat this, y'all. This is so healthy and good and one of my favorite ice creams to make. And it's going to be so, so good. And look, I want to show you just here, just a second. Let me get one more scoop, y'all. And I'm going to top that scoop right there on the top. Now, throw my little ice cream scooper over there. And I'm going to sit this back over here so I can put it in the freezer. Now, if you, like I said, if you like nuts, definitely add the nuts. Because like I said, it's definitely going to be your healthy fats, your proteins, and the biotin. So I like pecans. And I will sprinkle those on top. And if you can see that, you can see the pecans and the ice cream already. And if you want to garnish it with a little honey or caramel, like I said, you can do that. I'm not going to put that on mine today. Or you can put chia seeds. That is a very good healthy one. Now to garnish it, even to make it look even prettier, y'all, to give it a fresh, the freshness, you can add a herb. It's going to give it color as well. When you blend your strawberries up, don't take the leaf off of it. This stuff has so much nutrition just in the leaf. You would be really surprised. I have eaten this way, y'all, for years, and my skin and my hair has benefited from these vegetables. Now, from these fruits. You can put blueberries on here as well, but I'm not going to put blueberries on mine because I do have blueberries in it. And look, y'all, look how beautiful that is. And I'm going to take my, just a little piece of parsley, and I'm going to lay that right there on the strawberry and the nice cream. Now, I hope y'all can see this because this is a real chef style delivered. This is so good. This is chef style. Like I said, it is so simple. It's a one bowl, one scoop, two scoop, three scoop, how many ever scoops you want. And it's real ingredients in here, y'all. That is who is going to be doing the work. The real ingredients is doing the work, and it's in this nice cream. And it's going to nourish your hair, and it's going to serve with purpose. And let me grab a spoon, y'all. And let's taste this because I know it is so good because I made it and it's chef style. The nuts on it give it this little fun, crunchy taste. No, it is so good. And let me tell you, if you loved this little chef treat and want more easy hair nourishing, I want you to grab my shelf ingredients guide. It is packed with so much fun. It has rich ways to strengthen your hair follicles and supports overall wellness. Now, I want you to check the link out in the comments. Right now, it's just $12, y'all, for the first 100 copies. Grab yours before the price goes up. And that's it. Like I said, y'all, it's chef delivered. Simple, beautiful, chef style. Love you guys. I'll see you real soon.
Masterpiece, you're a queen, never look down. My hair is my crown, don't misjudge me, lovey. I got stacks of love and I feel alright. I'm free to be so natural. Jesus, show me who I am. Now I'm